This is Monrovia Fire, or not Monrovia, I'm sorry, Los Angeles County Station 182. They nicknamed themselves the Hustlers because of the racetrack. Oh, almost let myself in the door. There we go. Let's get there. This station typically has a squad, but it's out at 185, I think. I think that's also why they have the engine of a truck. I don't know, because it closed down 181. So, and then 182 here. This is their maps. Station A. Not gonna know.
What else, buddy?
What?
What else?
No, just looking around. What are these ladders made of?
Wood.
That's what I thought, but doesn't wood burn?
No.
No?
Wood, that wood's all treated. You can see all the shiny stuff?
Yeah?
It'll take some heat, but they're wood because they're non-conductive. So
Oh, okay.
most of the time ladders go up in the air. What's up in the air is wires. So when they touch wires, when they get shocked.
Right.
They're fun to go, and it's time to drive, but you'll have a lot of good information, a lot of people.
They bring out all the equipment. They bring out the hazardous materials rig, the emergency rescue team. They put on displays, lifeguards.
Yeah,
That's what they do.
every other month. And
Yeah, every other month.
Well, they do like a first.
open house.
Yeah, it's, yeah.
Showing us up.